Hello guys, in this tutorial you'll learn how you can apply a radial gradient color to your shapes and objects in Adobe Illustrator 2026. So let us guide you through this. So let me remove that example circle here and show you how it works. Here in your artboard on Illustrator, start by inserting a shape, for example a rectangle, circle. I will go for circle. To draw a perfect circle, use your left mouse, left click and drag the circle. And while doing that, press and hold left shift on your keyboard. And as you can see, there's still the gradient color applied. So let me remove that one. And now what you want to do is, there's only that solid color. So what you want to do is navigate to the color picker here, double click into it, and then switch to fill color here to the left from stroke. And then what you want to do is select radial gradient here, and you will see the last preset. So let me remove these colors here and show you how you can insert these colors. So in the default settings, guys, you will see a start point or a start color ranging to that end color here to the right, and you can apply as many colors to your gradient as you like. So let us go with, let's say, 4 different colors. What you want to do is move that second color here on that slider and position it anywhere you like on that slider here, and after that apply a third color over your mouse over that area just below that slider, left click to insert step or color number 3, and do the same with color number 4. Let me move that color here just to the right end of that slider, and to make these gaps look similar. So what you want to do is now apply a color to each of these steps. Start with the left one here, double click into it, and then you may use one of these color customizations like this one here, or swatches, or the color picker to pick a color from your document. I will go with this one, and here you may apply the opacity or transparency to make the color transparent. Here below you may enter the hex color code, for instance, or use that color picker below to choose one from the RGB spectrum. And that's basically it. You may adjust also these settings here for R, G, and B also. And once that's done, double click into the next step, pick another color, do the same for the next one, double click into it. Let me go with purple, and for the last one we're going to use something yellowish here. And that's it. Let me switch to the select tool, close that menu, and as you can see, guys, that's not the one. Here the select tool, and now as you can see, that circle features a gradient radial color. That's how it works, guys. If you'd like to customize that, navigate to the color, a gradient color here, and customize these settings here. For instance, change the angle or the aspect ratio. You may save your gradient also as a preset to load it later from your library. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.